There is a festival called Technofest, and I am attending to it. There are lots of competitions, lots of competitors, millions of visitors all around the world. Man, woman, girl, kid, black, white, and Afghans and Syrians and me and my team and my school. Yeah. So our category was UAV, the long form unmanned air vehicles. So we had to do an airplane. What we have to do was very simple: finding a task and producing an airplane. So there are a few steps to make an airplane. You should make aerodynamic measurements, and then you gotta design that airplane, produce that airplane, code that airplane, fly that thing, make a few things wrong, and do these steps again and again, and yeah, I will say again.
It's my first day at dormitory.
Sen ne yapıyorsun ya?
Getting out of dormitory. Üsküdar. We are going to the workshop for 3D printers and stuff. It's my friend. Unfortunately.
Okay, before going on, I didn't tell you what's going on exactly. Firstly, what's our project? Think a plane. It goes in a specified route, has a camera at the bottom of it, and searches the area with that camera. What it searches for? Boats, tents, cars, and this kind of things. So it's a border UAV or something like that.
So I'm the designer of the team, and these are few designs I made. I designed these models with Fusion 360.
Sen şimdi bu niye çekiyor?
Tell me, what can I do? I just wanna taste of you, my sweet Piscolata. Tell me, what can I do? I just wanna taste of you. You're my Piscolata, my sweet Piscolata. Just like the more I miss it, the more I miss you, baby. The more I miss it, the more I miss you, baby. Piscolata,
Biskolata Stars.
Piscolata,
Hayatın tadını bilenlere.
Piscolata.
Basamıyor.
Akıl yok ki başta, ne işin var aşkta? Aşkın kabahati yok, sevmeseydim keşke. Bir de seviyorum dedi, sana yanıyorum dedi, inan ediyorum dedi, vah vah vah. İş verip tüydü, ortada koydu, aşkıma kıydı, vah vah vah. Bir de seviyorum dedi, sana yanıyorum dedi, inan ölüyorum dedi, vah vah vah.
Ömer gidiyor. Ömer. Allah'ın sevgili kulu, metrobüse mi bineceksin?
Evet, metrobüse bineceğim seni.
Hakikaten mi?
Hakikaten bak elimde
Oo.
uçakla biniyorum.
Bunların hiçbir işe yaramıyor.
Bunun odun oyma set, tahta oyma seti diyor. İşe yarıyor işte.
Aa, bir dakika. Biz bununla yontabilirmişiz oğlum.